Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Flutter, and in this video, I want to show you guys my UjiCom Flutter UjiCom app. So here is the app. Oh, sorry. Um, 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 okay, this one. So, okay, so this is the app, and in here there is the. Wait a minute. Um, okay, so there is the profile. Above the title of my name, School Zafiro, but I don't know why it's loading and it took too long to load the image. So I just made the video because the time is already ticking. And so there's the image, supposed to be an image, and then there's the title, School Zafiro, and the description, my mission of IDMS. And if you open the Instagram, if you click the Instagram button, it's going to wait. It's going to go to Instagram. It's gonna open Instagram like this. But you need to log in order to open it. That also works for other button like YouTube. Just like this. And it's supposed to open YouTube. Okay, like that. And also for other buttons like LinkedIn and GitHub. And then there's the about me. It's like a short description about me. My name is Puka, and about me is I'm a student that is uh, enthusiast about technology, world of technology, including programming, design, and IT, and etc. And there's my portfolio right here. Um, okay, it's error in the image, maybe because of the connection, but it's supposed to load a project. So there's card name app made in Codular, and it's automatic 3D room made in Spline. Okay, let's go back. And I'm gonna show you the code. Okay. So go to code. See if Visual Studio is Visual Studio. Um, Visual Studio Code. Okay, this one. So this is the code. The code. There's dashboard screen. There is about screen, portfolio screen, and main dot and etc. And well, I guess that's all. Maybe thank you for watching my video. That's my Kunci.com. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.